construction of angle 45 degrees. 45 degrees is nothing but half of 90 degrees. That's good. So draw a line segment, okay, AB is equal to some 10 centimeters or 12 centimeters. Now, first of all, 90 degrees you need to construct. Already we learned how to construct 90 degrees, right? By drawing perpendicular lines. Once again, you should do that 90 degrees line, okay? You can learn once again, right? Now place the needle here and draw an arc here and replace the needle, draw one arc above and on the arc. Now replace the needle and cut the before arc. Okay, but change the distance. Do not change the distance. You should maintain the same distance. Keep it aside. Now you should draw a dotted line because this is how many degrees line? 90 degrees line. Which you don't want 90, you want 45 degrees. This is 90 degrees line. Angle BAC is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. Now we need to draw angular bisector for this angle 90 degrees. I did not change this gap. Okay, see there, right? Now from this point draw an arc and again this 90 degrees line where it is intersecting, draw an arc. Okay, it's not intersected properly, just extend it. Now you need to join from A to that line. From vertex of 90 degrees to the ray where the two arcs are intersecting. Okay, suppose if it is D, AD is the angular bisector of 90 degrees. Okay, what is that? AD is the angular bisector of angle BAC, that is nothing but 90 degrees. Bisector means it's divided into two equal parts. That is nothing but angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Half of 90, 45 degrees. Each is equal to 45 degrees. Now AC is perpendicular making 90 degrees, which you don't want. In this construction we are doing angle 45 degrees only. That's why that 90 degrees I was taken dotted line. AD is the dark line because AD makes 45 degrees angle to AB. Okay, now 22.5 degrees construction we will do. Directly we cannot do 22.5 degree, my dear. Okay, first 90 degrees you should draw. So third time you are learning how to draw 90 degrees, okay, construction. Suppose if it is O, A ray. Now 90 degrees construction you are already learned. I am telling once again, right? You will take less than half and you will draw an arc. Don't change the distance, you need to draw, okay, nearly 16 arcs with this. Okay, one arc, second arc, and above one arc. From this, where these two arcs are intersecting, place the needle there and intersect the before arc. Now where these two arcs are intersecting, join with a scale right. Suppose if you consider this is as B, this is 90 degrees. Okay, now 45 degrees, 90 off is 45 degrees. So do not change this. Suppose by mistake if you change this, no problem, you can adjust like this. Now where this line and arc are intersecting, draw an arc. Next arc is from, not here children, where this 90 degrees line is intersecting, from this point you should draw the arc from this point. Okay, good. Now just extend. Now I will join this line right from the vertex to the point of intersection of the arcs. Okay, so this is 45 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees is bisected 45 degrees. If 45 degrees, if you bisect 45 by 2, 22 and a half, don't change the gap. Okay, now extend this one arc from this point. Now second arc, where this 45 degrees line and arc intersecting, place the needle there and draw one arc. Now this is the line is, okay, 22 and a half degree, base is OA is, and I am drawing now, okay, for 22 and a half degrees. This is, if you consider this is as D, then this angle is 22 and a half degree. So basically the complete angle, the first green line is 90 degrees. Okay, I am writing angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. AOB is bisected into two equal parts. What are the parts? Angle AOC is equal to angle BOC is equal to 45 degrees. Now 45 degrees is bisected by the ray OD, that makes it is 22 and a half. Therefore angle AOD, so this angle, okay, is 22 and a half degree. Okay, so directly we cannot draw the 22 and a half degrees. So first 90 degrees, then 90 degrees we did angular bisector, then we got 45 degrees, then again 45 degrees we did angular bisector OD, then we got 22 and a half degree. Now once we will discuss together 90 degrees, 45 degrees and 22 and a half degree. Okay, then this is 90 degrees where AC is perpendicular to the AB. Okay, then we have taken 90 degrees line, then 45 degrees, then 90 degrees we are taken into two parts, divided into two equal parts, then we got 45 degrees, then finally we got 22 and a half degree, 22 and a half degree, right? Okay, this is 90 degrees. This 90 degrees is divided into two equal parts. Each part is equal to 45 degrees. Then the 45 degrees, this part is divided into two equal parts. Each part is equal to 22.5 degree. Right?